Welcome back to part 2 of Power Drive Racing, the stock sessions. Yeah, why not? We've got a lot of cars to get through here. There's around about 20 to 30, so let's start right here on the left-hand side with the Hot Wheels ID, the 69 Camaro limited run. This one is, and this is what you can do on the back. There's a little chip there, and you can scan it and do all that sort of stuff. Mean-looking machine. There it is in its box. I'm not going to take it out. I'm going to keep it in there until such time as a driver is chosen for this one, and this will obviously go into Hot Rods when we get that up and running. Heading over here to the right hand side, and I've got to say, I love the packaging that comes out of the States. We have nothing like this in Australia. It's all short card or long card, but nothing as fancy as this. Look at that. I mean, the detail of this packaging is ginormous. This car will obviously be taken out and driven down the track in Hot Rods. And look at this one, a Johnny Lightning. Excellent stuff. I don't know if that's got rubber wheels. I'm not too sure. The Chevy Thunder rolling down the highway. Ah, man. I've never seen any Johnny Lightning here in our stores, period. Just goes to show you how limited we are in Australia. Looking forward to racing this one, John. Next up, we have a little flag here, the final run. I've got a place for this. Right down near the finish line, just over the garages. I reckon that'll look perfect. Thank you very much for this. I love this sort of stuff around the track. Let's keep moving. Now, a lot of these cars I've never seen in Australia. A lot of these blue cards, and there's a Ferrari 308. Man, what a classic. It's got some nice weight to it too. Whoever gets to drive this, I don't know, maybe we need to go into a draw to see who's going to drive that, because I would like to drive that. And here we go, have a Porsche 911 GTI 98. How good does that look? Look at the decals on that. I absolutely love that. And over here, have a look at this one. It's another Porsche 911 GT3 Cup. I've never seen this one either, by the way. You also have to remember that this is a first look for me, even though I do have the box and I open them up, but I don't actively look at them. And I'm surprised with how many Porsches you have here. I noticed there was 2 in the last haul, and this one also has some fantastic weight. Look at the shape of that. I think that's going to go fantastically, if that's a word, down Mount Western Raceway. Let's get stuck into this lot here. When we do host the Porsche competition, it's going to be along the same lines as the recent Lamborghini, probably 24 to 26 starters. We'll have 4 heats, 2 semis and a final, and all those cars will require drivers when that happens. So look at this one, the Ferrari F40. Nice, a nice weight too. One of us got a metal base on it here. Well, there you go. That's going to really sit well on the track, I think, if it's not too low. And have a look at this little geezer here. I think we've actually raced this one, the Shelby Cobra. I can't remember. We've raced so many cars. This one looks familiar. No, I don't think we've actually raced this one. Good luck to whoever gets to drive that one. I bet you Scorpio Love Smith would like to drive that. The last out of this particular bunch is the crowd favourite, the Ford GT40. This one goes well on virtually every track it races, so I don't see why not it wouldn't go well on Hot Rods here. Beautiful, beautiful looking colour. Absolutely love that. Let's move into these 3. Check the shape of this out. The 53, I think it is Chevy, if it focuses. There we go, the custom 53 Chevy. How nice is that? Love that colour. I really hope this races. I'd love to take it out of its card right now and throw it down the track and see what happens. Just hope it doesn't sit too low, because if they do sit too low, they get caught on the grooves of the Sizzler track. And here we go. This one is the Fat Fended 40. Never seen this one before. This is a first for Mount Western Raceway. And has it got some weight? Gotta say, the pink and the blue tend to really complement each other. Now, this one here, I know nothing about the Batman series Hot Wheels. I don't own one, and I've seen them in the shop and thought, oh, I don't know where I'd race these. But having one here, this one looks pretty cool. And has just flooded my memory with watching Batman on TV when I got home from school and all that sort of stuff. More to go. So we've got another 4 here and more off to my right-hand side. And then there's still more to go after this. So what have we got here? We've got a 69 Ford Mustang. This is yet again new to me. Never seen this in Australia in the shops. Looks good. Nice big wheels on that. Sits really low. I'm sure it will race really well. Good luck to whoever drives that. The next one is another 69 Ford Mustang. Love the colour of this. Both the same cars, just different colours. Excellent. And moving along, we have another 69 Ford Mustang, this time red with silver stripe down the side. Nice little collection there of Mustangs. And the last out of this lot, now this one here is the Riveted. And if you recall, Metal Mania 3D sent 2 of these through as customs for Road Warriors. So there you go, I've never seen the stock version. So you learn something new every day in this diecast game. Alrighty, here is the last 4 out of this table, because there is more to go after this. This one is the Cadillac. I think that's what it is, the Cadillac V16. If I'm wrong, pull me up in the comments and tell me I'm wrong, and please correct me. I've never seen this either, other than racing on some other people's tracks. I'm pretty sure that's done really well on some customs out there. And this one here is the Dream Garage. This is the Chevy Camaro. The Camaros tend to do really well on this Sizzler Fat Track. I think they've just really balanced the car out correctly with this Hot Wheels. Yeah, very nice little green Chevy. And here is the Nova, the 1968 Nova. A crowd favourite again. What an awesome shape this is. Man, I see a few of these driving around Australia, left-hand drive in my area. And check out this little geezer here, the Ford Galaxy 1964. I love the shape of this. It looks like the Impala. It really does. Oh man, I love that. I want to drive that, so there you go. Now we're into the final 7 cars. These are just loose cars, and there's 2 of these here. There's this pink one here. These are called shoe boxes, I think, or shoe boxes. Beautiful looking castings. I know I say it again, I've never seen these in Australia. These look stunning, and obviously here's the same one, except it's just white with those orange flames on the side. How cool do these look? Very gangster style they look to me. They really look the part for hot rods ripping down the track. Next off, we have a fire engine. Always good to have more fire trucks around Mount Western Raceway. You never know when we're going to need the service vehicles to help something out. I wonder if they do anything other than just be pushed down. Nice. Well, does that come out, I wonder? Yeah, happy days. And this next one is the Pontiac Firebird. Look at the colour of that. That's a stunner. Nice decals. Nice wheel spins. Yeah, beautiful. Nice solid casting on the back. Beautiful shape that Hot Wheels have made here on this one. Look at that. Good luck to whoever gets to get behind the wheel of that in hot rods. Cool. And this next one is the Dodge Ram truck, the number 4, I think. I love the wheels on this. Goodyear. Does it say Goodyear? Yeah. Not a bad wheel spin for a stock. Yeah. That's a little ripper, that. Yeah, there it is. Dodge Ram truck. Nice. Second to last to go, and we should know what this one is because we've already seen one. This is the metallic orange Porsche 911 GTI. So now, thanks to John, I think we've completed the lineup for the Porsche competition. 24 to 26 starters. Well done, and bring this competition on. I've kept this one to last out of this particular stock haul. It's got quite a bit of weight in it. This is the 57 Caddy. I dig the shape with the fins at the back, the simplicity of the black and the silver. I'm pretty sure there's enough clearance there to get down the straight and into the turn 1 and turn 2. It's always a problem on a Sizzler track with the grooves, but what a stunning looking car, and I left this one to last out of this particular haul. So there we go, that concludes that master haul from John from Power Drive Racing and also Lost Coast Racing. Hey listen, give him a big round of applause, support him when he's on the track, and don't forget, virtually all of these cars will require drivers. So until then, catch you next time and keep on racing.